Your mains water stopcock in your house is what you turn in order to isolate the water to your property. If you have a major leak coming through your ceiling or from a pipe under your sink, for example, you'll need to turn this stopcock in order to turn the water off to your house and stop that leak as quick as possible. Now, in newer homes, it's very common for those water stopcocks to be located in a nice easy position, such as under your kitchen sink. 9 times out of 10 in newer houses, I would expect it to be located here. Now, in older houses, it can be in a variety of different places. So first place, always check under your sink, even in older homes. But if you've got a downstairs loo near the front of your house, it's quite common for them to be next to the toilet, or if you've got an understairs cupboard, have a look in there also. What can also happen in older houses is if you had a new kitchen or downstairs loo fitted, a lot of the fitters tend to box these things in. So if you've got some boxing you can gain access to, have a look in these because it could well be inside of the boxing. Once you've located your stopcock, give it a turn. Make sure that it actually turns the water off to your house. The last thing you want is to have a really bad leak and find out that it's too stiff to turn off, or even when you do turn it, nothing happens and your water doesn't stop. So while you haven't got a problem, go and give it a turn, make sure it works. If not, make sure you get somebody round to repair or even replace your stopcock so that you've got peace of mind that in future, when you need to use it, it's going to work.